Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. So today we're gonna going to use this particular strategy of fire caching to stake a particular trade and see how it will be in the next 24 hours or in the next 12 hours. Okay, so before we dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So this actually what we're gonna going to do today. We're gonna going to like look at it at the hot, which is here. Yeah, you can see this at the hot, which is here. Okay, so now we're currently at the hot, and also we're gonna going to look at losers. Okay, so we're gonna going to use this strategy to make a rational profit for ourselves. Okay, so as I'm going to join this trade, if you just see this video, you can as well join the trade so that you can make something reasonable. All right, so we're gonna go into like click on this more down here. If you click on this more down here, you can see a lot of coins that are catching fire. The BTC is still there, the ETH is still there, the SOL, the XRP is still there, the H is still there, which I'm actually targeting on this H very much. So the H is still there, and the bank is still there, and trap. Okay, so let's quickly actually look at this H, which is very this one, and it has recorded a lot of negativity as well. So we're gonna go into click on this H. Now here we are on H. The H is actually not doing well currently, and is it has bounced to a very low volume of 0.044, and going to look at the top right hand side here. I'm going to look at the 24 hours high was 0.09, the 24 hours low was 0.044201, which was this one, and the 24 hours turnover was over 36 million. I think it's still doing greatly in the crypto market. So with this, we're gonna go into like look at it carefully and see if we can dive into this and make rational profit for ourselves. Okay, so we're gonna go into first, before I dive into it, look at the data. If we look at the data, actually you can see the people that are leaving the market, which is the selling part, is greater than the buying part. Okay, so scroll down a little again, you can see actually what is going on in the net crypto flow. Okay, so looking at it from the week, it was having a very red negativities, and from the 1 day it started doing well, of which it even crossed its high limit. So the outflow, which are people that are actually selling, are greater now than the what, than the inflow. So those outflow and inflow, they matters a lot when you want to involve in crypto trading. Okay, so but what I usually check when I get to this point is that, as a lot of people are selling, a lot of people are also seeing it as an advantage. But currently, the people that are selling are now greater than people that are currently entering the market. So we're gonna go into join these people that are currently entering the market. Let's see the inflow. We're gonna go into join the inflow against the what? Against the outflow. Okay. But before I do that, look at the trading data, the UTA, loan growth rate, and the trading trend. Okay, and look at also the what, the trading trend, the spot trading volume. You can look at this place, the users behaviors, and lots more. Okay, it's still ranking in what, in top 10 most stead and most searched, you can see. So we're gonna go into like use this now, showing that this very coin is still ranking at the top 10. So I'm gonna go into use this now to dive into this very coin and see what will become of it in the nearest time or in the nearest hours. So I'm going to dive into this place to click on buy. If you click on buy, I'm going to return actually to the chart. Okay, so clicking on buy here, I'm going to like look at it carefully, click on the Bollinger Band and see is it promising. Yeah, but it's actually promising. But let me also look at it previous movement, the previous movement. Let's see what it was like. And okay, so I'm going to like dive into this trade now, but this is the tactic I'm going to use. I'm going to use a limit. Okay, I'm going to use a limit. All right, so I'm going to click on buy. If you click on buy, as you know, as usual, you must make sure that you have a particular volume of USDT here that you're going to use to trade. All right, so that will now return me to my asset. So in the asset, I'm going to transfer from the funding wallet to what? From the funding wallet to unified trading account. Coming to this place, I'll click on more. I'll click on max, which is everything. It means everything. That's all. So I've transferred everything now to my funding account. So coming to this very place, I'll come back here actually to look for H, and now I'm right here with H, and I'm going to draw this. You know why? Because I want to use everything. That is the reason why I dropped that. I'm going to use everything. And do not forget, always set your stop loss, because it's very important. I've dropped a lot of videos that shows you how you can set your stop loss, and you be safe in your trading. Okay, so I will look at this chart carefully. Then I'm going to dive in. So by the time this the results of this, clicking on this limit, I'll click on market. That is, I want the trade to be executed instantly. So each time you come over to this place to check, always make sure that you set your stop loss and whatever. All right, so I'm going to click on buy now in order for me to what, to dive into my trade. Okay, I'll click on buy now. I'll click on buy now. So actually my trade is being executed immediately. Okay, it's been executed immediately. So now you can see that I have secured over 677 of this H coin. All right, so and the next thing you will be tracking now is that you can see this very place. This is my current volume of the USDT I used in entering this trade. Okay, and you can see it's actually increasing little by little. So after this trade, by tomorrow by God's willing, we're gonna go into like a come back. Okay, I'm gonna go into like a come back and see how much we have made from this trade. Did we lost or did we make? But one thing you must understand is that trading sport, if you lost, always be patient. It will definitely return back to where or to where you buy, and you can sell for profit. Okay, so you must always be patient. Okay, you can see in this very place, you can see the average buy, you can see the volume of which I bought this coin, which was 0.04846. That is it. Okay, that's just it. So I will be like stopping here to today, and we'll come back again when we secured profit from this amazing trade. All right, so thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of this very video to the end. I will definitely come back to see what we made from this. All right, so thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.